To fix automatic repair your PC did not start correctly in Windows 11. First, click on Advanced Options. Select Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options again. Now select Uninstall Updates. Select Uninstall Latest Quality Update and click on Uninstall. Wait for Windows to remove the update. Once it's finished, restart your computer and check if Windows starts normally. If you're still seeing the same error after restarting, go back to the Advanced Options screen. Select Command Prompt. Type the following command exactly same as shown on the screen. Then press Enter. If Windows is installed on a different drive, then replace the drive letter C with your drive letter. The scan will check your drive for file system errors, repair them automatically, and recover readable information from bad sectors. Once the scan is complete, close Command Prompt and click on Continue to restart your computer. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.